Ah, what? Hello. Gagala po kami pero hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Hi. Do you know where we're going?
I don't know.
Yes, there's a comb here. Mga laka nga min, nato di hair clip mo nga men. Ah? Where's your hair clip? Ayun nga tayo na. What? What? It's a good weather.
It's also hot.
Hot talaga. Ganda po ng weather. Aso, lakad-lakad lang. The weather is so good.
Mama?
Oh, nauntog pa mi. Yan, hindi pa na, wala lang, gagala lang kami.
Ay?
Walk. Window shopping. Eh? Nagbow pa yung ating camera. Hindi, second floor ka.
Ah?
Ay, naaraw yung second floor rin?
Stop no entry. Ito ramp, entry to ramp.
Ramp atoy?
Why
Ito
can't
rin, naglawaan.
we go on the second floor?
Kasi dagti elevator rin.
Hmm?
Kasi dagti elevator.
Tatansan na, pitan na.
We're you can go down first. Yeah.
No, that's just one. I'm not pressing anything. No, wait for the doors to close. So.
Madian na puno tayo.
Mama, the elevator is too heavy. Does it make a beeping noise?
Yeah. If it's overweight.
And then somebody has to get out. How come they don't listen? Oh, the elevator is
Papanan tayo nga banda. Kita tayo sale. Kita tayo tayo sale. Yeah.
I feel like my cats are falling down.
What?
I feel like it's falling down.
No, it's not. It just fit on you. No? Okay. Okay.
Ako ba jay,
Main gate.
sa di tayo mga nagkuhan.
Liam, gawa-gawa mo. Hello. Aircon. Summer sale. Gala-gala din. Baka sakaling may makita. This is not sponsored. Hello. Have you find something? Meryl. Ay, ano tayo magatang ito, yan? Ano kita nga need the clothes da? Ew, summer sales. Let's go. Gora Gora. Let's find something else. We got the Tommy. 70% off. What? Where's what, Adidas? Ata Adidas baka dan nakasale ita. Just jeans. Let's go. Got sleeveless. Tingin tayo mga sleeveless. May dati ano sando. Hello. Ah? Saan ko pa man nakita amin, nagpartak ka mga amin.
Kulkulot mo kilala.
Ala, bakal.
Penalty mo.
Apan na kano kinudkod, nasugat di ka na. Let's go.
Liam, come on, let's go.
Skechers. Oy, mga baby damulag. At paano may nabili naman kami. Kaso, yung ibang gusto namin, hindi namin nabili kasi no budget na. Ay. I-try kong ipakita sa inyo mamaya yung mga nabili namin.
Artist.
Little Baguio.
Or is that a school? That's a school. Oh my god, there's a school next to the beach side.
Our Little Baguio.
Imagine you just build a
Houses on top of the hill ba ata o mountain?
Yeah.
Ashley, hill.
Dito po diyan.
Ha?
Ashley, imagine you just build a secret room inside. That's impossible. That's possible.
Dayuan na dito yung mga banda.
Yeah.
What happens when they do this? They're gonna build a secret room inside of that. That's possible. Our feet, I buried my feet in mud. No, not in mud, in sand with water. Yeah. It was super sticky and gooey. Should we try that again? Let's do that. First, I have to clean my feet. My feet. Oh, this is. Oh wait, no, this is the beach that we went before when Mama wasn't with us. Yeah. Let's see. Remember? Let's see if they broke it our seashell castle. Yeah, if they broke it, I'm gonna be. Of course they will break it. If they break it, I will be very, very, very mad. Duh, they broke it.
Awan pero mar.
If they run over it.
Yellow lane pa dyan.
I'm mad.
Parkid din. Nagkondo.
Imagine I'm gonna go to space and stay there for 24
It's okay,
hours.
we can make it again, but first let's just play with them.
Siya.
We can all.
Yan, sana nagandahan kayo dun sa binidyo ko na
Ooh, that's a sick moment.
na view papunta dito. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. Parang Baguio. Little Baguio. Mas maganda pa.
Mama, do you know we just found the cave?
Who
We found the
I
cave.
found the cave over there.
Who found the cave?
But when we went here last time, we saw
Mm.
some caves, but there's
Yeah.
signs saying don't go in there, it's dangerous.
Mm.
Yeah, if you go in, there might be tigers, snakes, venomous, piranhas, scorpions, all type of stuff.
Is that Bila?
That's damn Bila.
Ay, kakain muna kaming pansit. Gutom kami. Nilukatam ko mahan, nagpudo. Ano na
Gangsit, gangsit.
Ang nagbidbid yung mga Taiwan.
Gara ay, ikaw ano. Ito ba nakatagtaga rito?
Dito magkita na eh.
Magkita na ka na eh. Oh. Oh. Igod ko mati niya.
Tayo video mga
Let's eat, guys.
Baksit ng roadside. Baksit pa eh. Ito yung di danong ko na.
Ulyanin. Kain muna kami. Tapos gala-gala kami dyan. No?
Cold. Just don't drink it all, that's what Mama
May
said. And if you leave me a little
beach.
bit, I'm telling you.
Busan nyo ata
Can you help me put it
more pansit.
No, no thanks.
no problem.
Busan nyo ata pansit nyo pa bago ko kayo uminom ng tiko.
I love vegetables. Yeah, sure, because you haven't been eating vegetables and you said you hate them.
Wow.
Yeah, there's
Oh, I'm a security guard. I'm a security guard. I'm a security guard.
Ano tayo? Oh, there. May nagpa-paragliding doon. Hindi makita. Here we are on the beach. Ano lang tayo? Lakad-lakad lang.
Someone sitting in the wind at night with the
Yeah.
matangay. Hindi ka kay ayam kitas.
Naglamig. Oh my God!
Shoes now.
Laslay Liam na eh.
Shoes now.
Kay ayam kitas. Kaya papandi mo mapata.
Maaraw siya, kaso malamig ang hangin. Maganda yung araw, kaso malamig ang hangin. No? Nilalamig. I'm holding something. What's that? Garampi ka tiyan.
It's the crab dance. The crab dance. It's the crab dance. Every time I look at it.
Dagpal pa naman yung punta.
Crab dance.
What's the crab dance?
Sama niyo mo natin yun.
Oh, Daddy said don't go to the wet area. Ayun, meron pong nagsa-surfing. Surfers. Oh, no. Ha? Yan. There are surfers over there in push. Surfers. Kasi naglagkit na nga ron tibagikon eh. Hello. Kanina nilalamig ako pero ngayon not totally nilalamig na. Ito yun. I smell the salted breeze of the ocean.
But the shells keep on doing it.
Yeah. Well, you wanna go to Dubai?
I want to go to the desert.
Dubai?
Yeah, Dubai. It's so expensive there.
Yeah. How did you know?
It's because I know it.
Yeah.
Sometimes people could be mean because they're rich.
Yeah. They are so rich there in Dubai. Some of the people get the highest average earnings there.
The villas.
Yeah. Have you seen on the YouTube?
Yeah, I see on the YouTube. But some people in
So one of
some people-
your bucket list going to Dubai?
Yeah.
Oh.
And Korea.
Yeah. And Japan. Can you take me there?
Yeah. There one day.
Yeah. There's a cave over there. Yeah, there's a cave inside there. So this is the cave that you've seen.
Align.
Una. Ano na?
Pili niya, tipang.
But then I said toilet.
Uwian time.
Ganun dito.
Isla damutot.
No, nobody there. Daddy, do you know?
Tingnan taga diya. Tagalang diya yan.